What's up everyone? Glad you made it for this video. In this episode segment, 7 divided by 7 which equals 1 and 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 7 divided by 7, and we can write this part as 1 over 7 divided by 7. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 7 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 7 which equals 1 over 49. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.